And here it is, guys. Today I will be presenting you the brand new Mercedes-Benz EQG, the full electric G-Class G-Wagon concept. Here we have the EQG. Guys, here it is. This is just a concept model, but I've already had a talk with the product managers and they told me this will be very close to production series. Arnold is getting his G-Class full electric production in the future. Finally. As Mercedes presented the EQC, the EQA, the EQB and the EQS, making their most selling and best selling products go full electric with the S-Class or with the GLC. Now it's time for the Icon, the G-Class, going fully electric now. Here we have the EQG. This in specific is just a concept vehicle, but we can expect this as a production vehicle in the future. So guys, stick with me and let me show you more about this car. So what makes this EQG so special? I will be talking about that while doing a full walk around, showing you all the exterior features, and afterwards asking you the questions, do we actually need an electrical G-Class? But yeah, let's just go and get right into it. Start talking about this car here in specific. Two-tone finish on a G-Wagon. On the bottom we have a silver finish and on the top a black finish. This is just a concept vehicle but very close to production series. There's so much I need to show you, so let's get right into it and start with the walk around. Talking about the headlights in specific, here we have the standard G-Class multi-beam headlights. Also the indicators as usual, the front bonnet as usual, but looking at the grille, here we have a full panel. This is actually a display in the background, playing like G-Class grille animations. But what can we expect? I think in the future we will just have a full black panel, maybe with some little Mercedes-Benz stars or 3D emblems. Mercedes-Benz star in the front, it seems like this is also illuminated, but yeah, looking very cool. The front bumper looks almost close to what we know from the average Mercedes-Benz G-Class, with just a different pattern here on the front. But all in all, guys, this looks very, very similar to us. This is not like a spacey, out of this world concept. It looks very close to the production vehicle, as I already mentioned. Talking about the side, guys, here you can also see the two-tone exterior paint finish and the wheels. I need to show you more of these now. Guys, we have some monoblock wheels on the electrical G-Class, the EQG. I love these. If they would present these wheels on a production series, I would buy it, 100%. As you know, I am a big lover of monoblock wheels. On the side, you can see the side mirror is also illuminated. I think there is also a sensor or something, because it's just a normal usual side mirror. On top, we also have this part is also illuminated, looking very interesting. You can like put stuff also on top of the G-Class. On the side, everything is almost the same. And something that's also the same are the door handles, guys. There's no change. This is original, this is tradition. Something very cool, you have a G emblem on the button itself, which is very cool. And also these parts here, which are normally finished like in full black touch, they are like illuminated in an LED, looking very cool. But now it's time to talk about the rear, because this looks very special. Talking about the rear, guys, you can see we have the brake lights on top, also over there. The spare tire cover looking very weird, because you can't even fit a spare tire inside this, but it looks very interesting, yeah. All in all, guys, people expected the rear to look like this, like the taillights to be connected with each other. Instead, we have the same G-Class taillights as we already know, which I love. I'm a biggest fan of this. I mean, having an EQG looking like a normal production G-Class is the best way to go. Talking about the spare tire cover, I'm not even sure if this is a spare tire cover or just a storage compartment. Looks very cool in my opinion, but it doesn't fit the look. Also illuminated Mercedes-Benz star, Concept EQG, also here on the number plate holder. And all in all, guys, how do you like this concept? So guys, what can we expect? Do you think we will also see an EQG 63 or an EQG 4x4 or a 6x6? Let's see what the future will have for us, but I actually doubt it. And yes, guys, the aerodynamics on this car is trash. So it's actually not about the range. Going full electric on a G-Class, does it make sense? I will be answering all of these questions as soon as we drive this car and see the full production vehicle. So guys, what do you think? Would you drive it? Would you pass it? Would you take it? Hot or not? Leave it in the comment section below. How do you actually like the two-tone color paint on this G-Class? It's also the first time seeing it for me. We have the black on top, the silver on bottom, and yeah, with the monoblock wheels, it just looks amazing. What do you guys say? I mean, at the end of the day, this is still a G-Wagon. This is nothing else. We still have all the traditional parts and the look, and it's all up to you guys. What do you guys think? Leave me your comments in the comment section below. So now it's time to finish it all off with a resume. I mean, all the G-Class fanboys, the traditional guys, I mean, do we need an electrical G-Wagon? Is this what we need? I don't think so. Will the G-Class lose its tradition? I don't know, guys. But in my opinion, this is a very nice alternative. I mean, going electric is the future, and we also need to go full electric with our most beloved G-Class. How do you like the idea, the concept? The production vehicle will be out soon. I'm thinking about next year or even in 2023 or something. But all in all, guys, would you buy it, or would you even prefer it over the combustion G-Wagon? I'm not sure, guys. But yeah, let's just wait until they present the production vehicle. All in all, I love the way they didn't create a concept vehicle out of this world. Instead, they stick to the traditional G-Class look, and that's why I'm actually positive about this car. All in all, guys, really enjoyed doing this video. Looking forward to see you all again. Really looking forward to read all your comments in the comment section below, and wish you all a great day. I will be back.